Hello, welcome back to the ongoing Future Abroad series. Today we hope to answer a very important question on how to select a course. This question has been addressed in many ways, and a simple Google search will tell you various strategies on how to answer this question. But most of them will lead to a complicated process where you have to undergo several questions which you must answer in order to arrive and converge to a conclusion. Today we hope to answer this question in a very simple way, and I like to identify three factors based on which you should be able to arrive effectively towards a conclusive course. So the three main factors in selection are relevance, budget, and the future career opportunities that are available. Relevance is very important because many times our decision to study a course is derived from looking at other people who are studying the same course. However, a particular course, for example, Masters in Engineering Management, may be offered in different ways at different universities and may not align with your particular career goals. They may also not align with your academic and practical history. So it's imperative that you take a closer look at the curriculum and the hands-on training that a particular university will provide for this course. And therefore, by defining the relevance, you will end up studying at an institution that will most effectively add value to your current set of skills and ensure that your learning is more effective and is valuable in your future. The second factor that you must also account for is the finances. The budget can be very important because a particular course may be offered at a different price point at various universities. For example, the MBA is a program that is offered ranging from £20,000 to up to £60,000. And it's important that you select a university that fulfills your requirements and is also financially viable. The third factor that you must consider are future career opportunities after completing your desired course. Again, it's very important to look at the alumni and the success stories of the university that is offering the course. And you must try to see if you match with the kind of alumni that have graduated previously, because by doing so you will be able to determine if you will also be able to end up in the same career trajectory. Many times you may be misled by the university's ranking and reputation and assume that just by completing a course there you will also end up in a fulfilling career position, which may not be true because it may not necessarily train you with the set of skills that are required for your particular growth. So make sure that you do your research that will enable you to end up in a proper career pathway. So conclusively, it's important that you look at the three factors: relevance, budget, and future career opportunities in tandem collectively, and arrive and converge at a course that will ensure that the course elevates your current academic skills and practical skills. It enables you to meet your financial constraints and requirements, and also prepares you for the future ahead. Hopefully this particular discussion has enabled you to arrive and converge to your desired course. It is important that you work with people who have been there, who have done it, so that you can learn from their perspective as well. In the next upcoming video, we hope to talk about how to plan your budget and finances so that you can effectively manage your studies internationally. Thank you.